Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening. It's Joe, your tech hand man here. Now if you're a content creator, you understand how important thumbnails are. So you understand that it's very important you know how to put together a very nice thumbnail. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make thumbnail real quick using AI. So I'm going to use two platforms, the first one being Adobe Firefly and the second one being Canva. So at the end of the day we'll be able to put together a very nice thumbnail. So if you have your system set up, get ready, we're going to start in a jiffy. But before that, subscribe please if this is first time, and comments, turn on the notifications so that anytime we upload you'll be the very first to know. Remember, like I always do say, when you grow, we grow. If you're ready, let's get
so guys, find your way to Adobe Firefly landing page. This is how it looks. So here you have options. You have create with Firefly. Right there you have text to image. You also have text effects, but we're going to work with text to image. So create with Firefly, click on it. You see some of the text to image that other people have created with this particular platform. If you hover over the image, you see a text on it. Instance, for instance, the side profile of a woman with rainbow swirls of smoke overlaid in the foreground. This is actually the prompt that someone imputed and this photo was generated. This one is also the same thing, a winter forest with a river at sunset. So you generate photos using prompts. So we quickly generate a prompt here: a giant robot sitting in a modern office and working on a desktop computer. That is the prompt I'm gonna be using. So click on generate. It takes you here. You can see four photos of a robot working in an office. Nice. So to the right hand side you can change the aspect ratio. You want it to be in portrait, you can change that, but I will leave it at square. You also have widescreen and landscape options, so let's leave it at square for the purpose of this demonstration. So you can see all of them. I think I like this particular one, so if you click on it, it zooms out so you can see it properly, how it looks. So you can also scroll to see them one by one. So I think I will work with this particular one like so. So to the right side of your screen you will see a whole lot of settings right there that you can do. The first one is the content type. It's actually on art, so let's change it to none and see what happens. So you can see there's graphic and photo options as well. For the styles, you have a whole lot of things in there, but let's try out the effects, their movement, and themes. So when you click on the effect, it shows you some options, you know. So I like to select this one in descent. Then again, you can select vibrant color, under color and tone. And then under lighting, I will go for studio lighting. There are other options as well you can try out. And then for composition, I think I will show blurry background. I want the background to be a little bit blurry. So you notice there are quite a number here, so take your time and to try out some of these options. So you notice when we select any of those styles, it automatically comes into this space as a prompt. So once you're done, click on generate. So you can see how gorgeous these photos are now looking. They are more refined, they are looking really nice. So try out some of these prompts and see what you can make of it. So like I said, let's work with this one. So you can click on the three dots to see more options. You can either copy it to clipboard or submit it to Firefly Gallery, or you click on download. But if you click on download, it's going to show you that there's going to be a watermark. Not a problem. If you don't want to show, you tick that box. Otherwise you click on continue. So in this case we cancel. So the next one is to save to favorite. So anytime you come around this platform, you'll be able to view them in your favorites. But for this time we are going to download it like so. So click on download and click on continue. So it's already in the desktop in my system. So you head over to canva.com. There is a tutorial explaining how to use Canva, so you can check that out on the channel. This is the landing page of Canva. So you click on create blank right here. So what we're going to do is to bring in the photo that we just generated from Adobe Firefly like so. So click on upload and it brings it in. Just check out the tutorial on Canva on our website. So I'm just going to, this is the photo right here. You can bring it to the clipboard to work on it. I'm just going to speed up this process and then let you see the final outcome. Like I said, check out the tutorial on how Canva is used. So this is how it looks. This is the final outcome. It might not look so gorgeous, but of course it's just for demonstration purposes. So you click on share, download it, like so. So take time out, guys. Try different options. You can see this is how it looks. This is the final outcome. Try and see how you can tweak things around and what you can get from it. This will save you a whole lot of times. Thank you for watching this video. Looking forward to see you in the next.